Did you know that everyone already has abs? Yes, you read that right. Underneath your belly fat, you have a set of abdominal muscles waiting to be revealed. It shifts the focus from building abs to uncovering them. Abs are not just for bodybuilders or fitness models, they are for everyone. The answer lies in the layers of fat covering them. In reality, the process is more about diet and overall fitness. The answer lies in a combination of proper nutrition, full body workouts, and targeted exercises. One of the biggest myths about abs is that you can target fat loss in your abdominal area. This is known as spot reduction. Unfortunately, it's not possible. You can't choose where you lose fat. Doing endless sit-ups won't specifically burn belly fat. High reps of AB exercises every day can lead to muscle fatigue. Abs need time to recover. Quality over quantity should be your motto. You don't need special equipment for abs. Simplicity is often the best approach. It's more about the quality of your diet. Balance and moderation are crucial. To uncover your abs, you need a mix of full-body workouts and targeted ab exercises. Planks are one of the most effective exercises. They engage multiple muscle groups, including your core. Start with holding a plank for 30 seconds and gradually increase the time. Another great exercise is the bicycle crunch. It targets the lower abs and obliques. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and mimic a cycling motion. Touch your elbow to the opposite knee as you cycle. This exercise is excellent for building core strength. Mountain climbers are also highly effective. They combine cardio with strength training. Get into a plank position and bring your knees to your chest alternately. This exercise not only works your abs but also boosts your heart rate. It's a great way to burn calories and build muscle. Finally, leg raises are fantastic for targeting the lower abs. Lie on your back and lift your legs to a 90-degree angle. Lower them slowly without touching the ground. This controlled movement is excellent for building strength and definition. Section 4. Nutritional tips for abs. Abs are made in the kitchen. This saying is more accurate than you might think. Your diet plays a crucial role in revealing your abs. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains should be your staples. Protein is essential for muscle building and repair. Include sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes in your diet. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle growth. Aim for a balanced diet with adequate protein intake. Hydration is another key factor. Drinking enough water helps in fat loss and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated also helps reduce bloating, making your abs more visible. Avoid sugary drinks and junk food. These can cause weight gain and hide your abs. Instead, opt for healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fruit. Consistency in your diet is crucial. Small, sustainable changes can lead to significant results over time. Section 5. Special tip. The final piece of the puzzle. Here's a special tip to help you on your journey to visible abs. Focus on your posture. Good posture can make your abs more visible and improve your overall appearance. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and engage your core. This simple change can make a big difference. Incorporate activities that improve your posture, like yoga and Pilates. These exercises not only strengthen your core, but also enhance your flexibility and balance. A strong core supports good posture, making your abs more prominent. Mindful eating is another aspect to consider. Pay attention to what you eat and how much you eat. Avoid eating in front of the TV or while distracted. Mindful eating helps you make better food choices and prevents overeating. Lastly, be patient and consistent. Getting visible abs takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts. Stick to your workout and diet plan, and you will see results. Remember, the journey to abs is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, and your hard work will pay off.